Hey guys and girls, it's Wednesday the 9th of December 2020. It's 10:51 in the morning. It's a beautiful day as you can see. Again, like the sky's blue, there's no rain, there's no snow. It's a nice temperature. I'm wearing a t-shirt, a little bit chilly in the shade. But today's a special day. We've got someone coming to buy our yurt. So if you've been following us for a while, you know that originally we bought a Mongolian yurt. And the idea with this yurt was that we were going to install it on our bottom field over here. And we wanted to put it on something like booking.com, Airbnb, and earn a little bit of money out of it that way. And the yurt originally cost us 3,900 euros, which is quite cheap for a yurt. But it's a lot of money for us. So we bought the yurt, and then we were going to create a base out of wood. And we were quoted anywhere between 2,000 and 4,000, because we wanted quite a nice deck so you could put chairs in it as well. And so in total, the yurt would have come up to quite a lot of money. Unfortunately, we didn't actually set it up because, coronavirus hit and there's no tourism. So, we would have had this thing sitting here, would have sucked up a whole bunch of our finances and we wouldn't be able to use it. And also, it would have been quite difficult to get an AL license so that we can actually advertise it on booking.com and Airbnb and do everything legally. So unfortunately, we've reached the decision that now we have to sell the yurt. And so today we've got someone who's going to come and pick up the yurt from us. And it's a beautiful day today, man. Perfect weather for it. A couple of days ago, it would have been raining incredibly hard and it wouldn't have been great for transporting all of this stuff. So I'm hoping that the person who gets this is going to be able to use it and have many years of excellent use out of it. And I also hope that they're going to send us some pictures or even some video, because I'd absolutely love to see what it looks like in all of its glory when it's actually been put up. So we're just in the veggie garden here, and we've got lots of these little cabbage caterpillars eating our broccolis. I believe they're like a white butterfly that lays eggs on them. I think you can see them a little bit better there. But yeah, so Gina's just getting rid of them because they're helping themselves to a free lunch.
Well, they're not paying rent.
They're not paying any rent, no.
So,
get him, Gina.
although nor does any of the other animals. Actually, the chickens pay rent because they pay us rent in eggs.
Yeah.
The rest of them don't.
No, well, the dogs pay us in barks. One bark, one dinner.
We probably owe them loads then.
Yeah. All right, so they're here to pick up the yurt. I'm just going to help move everything across, and hopefully it's all going to fit inside their car.
It's like to sleep in the house on my own at night.
Hello. Do you know that I never caught your name?
Susie.
Susie, hello.
Hello.
So this is Susie and she's buying our yurt.
I'm buying the yurt.
Yeah.
I'm going to be living in it in January.
Awesome.
So I'm really happy because it's got wool insulation.
Yeah.
And somebody's building me a deck to put it on. And yeah, me and the kids, this is going to be our house. We're going to have a little wood burner. I need to get some carpet.
Do you know that there is actually in the roof, there's a hole for the chimney to go out for the wood burner?
Yeah, Gina said.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So yeah, and we'll be,
Lovely.
that'll be our house.
I'm gutted. You're going to see it up.
Well, you have to come and stay in it.
Yeah.
Then you need to experience your yurt. I feel awful taking
No,
it
no.
away.
Don't.
But I'm
No.
really happy, really happy.
Oh.
It looks absolutely beautiful. I bought a farm in the Algarve. Wow. It's really lovely. 5 hectares of, 2 hectares of pine forest, some meadow and an old ruined house. And we've just spent the last 2 months renovating the house. I've been doing loads of research, done all got a typer, earth walls. So we've done lime plastering that breathes, because I knew that it had to breathe, and what they quite often do is cement up the walls so they can't breathe, and then you get damp issues and all that. So I've done loads of research and been telling the builders, no, I want it done like this. And they're like, no, but we normally do it like this. And I'm like, no, it needs to be done this way. So, and we've got beautiful cork insulation on the floor, and they've done a lovely roof, got a whole new roof. So the house is completely transformed, and I was supposed to be moving in at the end of the year, but my lovely builder didn't order any windows, so now we're not. So this is why I've bought the yurt.
Excellent.
So.
And you moved here from London?
Yeah, we were in London. Yeah.
So
the old
shock in big culture change and weather change and.
Yeah, oh God, it's so lovely. I mean, I've wanted to live in Spain for quite a long time, but then I started to travel in Portugal, and I started to realise that it's really lovely. It's even lovelier than Spain. Well, for some reasons. I mean, the nature, it's really lush. There's a lot more rain, which is really good if you want to grow stuff. And we're right on the west coast. We've got the Atlantic breeze at the same time as having loads of sun. So we're down in the Algarve in Algarve.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's beautiful. The Vincentina National Park. Wow. House is nearly done, and then I hope to start a hemp farm.
Wow.
Yeah, so industrial hemp.
Okay.
So yeah, we're going to try and get a licence for that, and then start growing hemp, start seeing what we can do with it. And I want to experiment with hempcrete as a building material. Yes. So we're going to try and build a music studio, like a shed really, but with a spare bed, but a music studio, because I want to experiment with the sound quality, the soundproofing and insulation qualities of hemp as a material, yeah. And it's really dense, it gets really, it's get harder with age, and it's really light. So it's a wonderful natural alternative to concrete.
Excellent, okay.
Mm.
Cool. Well,
yeah.
That sounds really exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully once you're all set up with the yurt, Gina and I can pop by and
You definitely have to come, you have to. And sleep in your yurt, because I feel quite bad taking it away from you.
No. I'm actually really happy that it's going to someone, and I can tell that you're going to look after it. And,
it's going to be well loved.
Yeah, awesome.
Definitely.
Yeah, cool. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Thanks for selling me the yurt. It's beautiful.
You're welcome.
We're going to hit the road.
Yeah.
In Castelo Branco with Gina. Hi. And Ken.
Hello.
And Gina and Ken are amazing, and they've bought this farm in the central Portugal. They've got what you got?
3.5 hectares.
And they're doing, what are you doing?
Well, we do olives, we do grapes, and a lot of relaxing, a lot of beer drinking.
Good, good.
And make videos and just relax, basically.
Chickens, dogs.
Chickens, dogs.
Growing food.
Yeah, we've got a veggie garden.
Yeah, we want to get a donkey, we want to get some llamas.
Oh, yeah.
Really? You're going to do llamas?
Yeah.
You're going to shave them and...
wool,
beautiful.
Yeah. Well, alpacas.
Really?
I think they're the smaller ones, I'm not sure.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Great wool. It's
Yeah.
got a hole in the centre, hasn't it, of the fibre?
Yeah, I
That's
don't know.
why
We need
it's
to do
warm.
more research yet, but
Well, that's why it's really warm, because it traps the air inside. There's got a hollow
Really?
fibre, and that's why it holds the heat so well.
Well, maybe when we do that, we can give you some more insulation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully I won't need too much insulation in the Algarve. But yeah, I think what we've got looks amazing anyway. But yeah, I'll definitely be up for an alpaca jumper.
Yeah. Well, I'm just learning to knit, so I'll be able to knit it for you as well. So.
Oh God, it's such a beautiful country. We love it.
We do.
We love it.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Cheers, bye.
Lovely to meet
Susie,
you.
awesome to meet you. Awesome to meet you, dude.
To meet you.
Cheers, bye. Cool, well, the yurt is sold. It's kind of bittersweet because we really did want to put that yurt up at some stage, but it had to happen. But yeah, it's really nice to meet Susie. She seems really, really sweet, and I'm sure she's going to love the yurt. I mean, she really seems to be really happy with it, so it'll be quite awesome to get some pictures of her, or even some video just showing what it's like, and possibly even going to check it out at some stage. And we're just taking a walk down to the gates just to open up the gate for her. It's gotten a little bit cloudier today. This morning when I woke up, it was so nice and sunny. I don't know, for people who've been watching our videos for a while, look how green this grass is now, huh? Just remember about a month or so ago, it was all, you know, it was all just dry and dusty. Cheers. Bye. Cheers. Ah, well, she was very sweet. So Gina, no more yurt.
Oh, I'm quite sad.
Yeah. I was quite looking forward to having a yurt set up and owning a yurt.
Well, we did own a yurt. We owned a yurt
Yeah.
for a year.
We owned a yurt for a year. We just never set it up.
Yeah, we just never stepped inside it.
Yeah. We are no longer yurt owners.
No,
Oh well.
we're yurtless.
We're yurtless, yeah. It's better than being shirtless
In this weather.
in this weather, yeah.